coming up in this video, it's the first of my Jack Daniel's flavoured cocktail videos. For the first one, I'm going Jack Daniel's apple, and I've got a kind of cinnamon and blackberry cocktail going on for you. Stay tuned. Hey drinks fans, I am Steve the Barman, and I hope these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite spirits even more. Right, Jack Daniel's, as you can see, I've got all the flavours now, well, all of them in the UK. I think there's a couple more available in the US, but we've got the Tennessee Fire, which is cinnamon, we've got the honey up there now, and the apple, and this is absolutely delicious. They're still pretty healthily strong, they're 35% ABV, but boy do they bang of flavour. Absolutely delicious sort of apple notes coming off this one. Right, we're going short and sweet cocktail. I'm going slightly, I'm going to use crushed ice for this, so slightly longer, taller glass than normal rocks glass, but you could go short and sweet if you wanted to. Going to make this in a cocktail shaker, so let's crack on. First ingredient we want is this Jack Daniel's apple. Oh, just smells like juicy apples. Proper tasty this. Right, 50ml double bubble. The next ingredient we want is some lemon juice. Let's pop that there. Freshly squeezed lemon juice, and I want 25ml of that. The third ingredient we want is our sort of sugar content for this. Now I'm going for cinnamon sugar. There we go. Again, always back to this brand. Lovely. You can make cinnamon sugar you want, but for yourselves at home, if you want, absolutely easy. I just prefer to buy it in. Consistency, ease, saves me a lot of time, and it absolutely. Again, flavours. I'm all about big, vibrant flavours, and this has got it in spades. So I'm just going 10ml of cinnamon sugar. And then the final ingredient, this is actually very similar to sort of a bramble cocktail, if you like. We're replacing the gin with Jack Daniel's apple, and we're replacing normal sugar with cinnamon. But instead of finishing, so normally you'd shake and serve the bramble and then drizzle the blackberry on top. I'm shaking it down. So I want 15ml of creme de mure or blackberry liqueur. There we have it. So it's not a long drink, it's not a tall drink by any stretch of the imagination, but ratio wise it's perfect, absolutely bang on. So we just need to ice that down and give it a good old shake. And as always, at this point of the video, I want you guys to come up with names for this drink. We could go apple and blackberry pie, but that's a bit dull, boring. So come on guys, there's a few of you rocking out these cocktail names now. Absolutely amazing. Let's have a good play on Jack Daniel's apple. The whole point of that is the updated recipes go into my cocktail book, which you can get if you're a Patreon member. You can always get the free version, that's available to download in any of the comments on any of my videos, but the updated version is a perk of my Patreon tier. You also get plenty of exclusive comments, weekly serve suggestions, and lots of stuff in there as well, so go and check out my Patreon. Right, hard and fast shake, 10-12 seconds. Right. Oh, I love that smell. That is just one of my favourite crumbles. Pies is like apple and blackberry with a bit of cinnamon in there. Delicious. Right. Just going to strain that in. Pop that all in there. Topping out with crushed ice. There we go. And then garnish wise, I'll keep these in the freezer actually. I've always got some frozen blackberries. I'm just going, there we go, I've got 2 frozen blackberries, and let's go for a dehydrated lemon as well. Set that off. And there we have it, boys and girls. This is absolutely delicious. Popping up on screen now will be lots more Jack Daniel's videos for you to dive into. That is stunning.